I'm kateschwanke and welcome back to my channel for another fun JuJuBe review. Today I am reviewing the all new Park Pack by JuJuBe. This bag is perfect for taking to theme parks, traveling in general. Like, this bag packs up completely flat. It is very lightweight and comfortable to wear. So I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys a little bit more around this bag, and then I'm going to unpack it. You guys can see I'm already wearing it, and as you saw in the very beginning of this video, you can wear this bag like 3 different ways, which is great. When I'm out and about, I tend to go between wearing it this way and wearing it on my back like this. So it's just been such a great bag. I also have it here in the brand new Galaxy of Rivals print by the JuJuBe and Star Wars collaboration. So cute. I absolutely love all the little chibi characters. As you guys saw from my last video and unboxing, I'm definitely more Team Empire. I feel like slightly ashamed to admit that, but I just love the characters. So I love the lining on this bag. It is a whole bunch of stormtroopers, and there is a Darth Vader just like hidden in between all of them, and it is the cutest. I love the lining on this bag. But then you also have Darth Vader, Boba Fett, like all of my favorite bad guy characters on here. So let's go ahead and jump on to the review portion of this video. I want to show you guys up close. I'm just going to go ahead and wear the bag while I talk to you guys about it. I found that sling bags are a lot easier to review if I'm just wearing it, because if you are trying to like put it on a table or something, they tend to like fall over and it's hard to keep them open and things like that. But this just makes it easier for me. And also hopefully it helps you guys see how it would fit on you as well. So at the very top here, you will see that JuJuBe has added a passy pod. This is a non-detachable passy pod. It is completely sewn on, which I think is very interesting. As you guys can see, I have Darth Vader right here. It is amazing. I love that print placement. But this still functions exactly as a normal passy pod minus the strap. So I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys what I have in here. I have this bag completely packed up for myself for a trip to a theme park. So I have my hand sanitizer in here. I love having it available to me on an exterior part of the bag. I think that is amazing. So if I need to quickly grab this, squirt some in my hand, and then I can easily just slip it back into the passy pod in these straps, and it just kind of keeps it in place. But as you can see, I have space for more stuff. So if I wanted a second one in there, or I wanted to keep a hair tie or a pill case or something like that, AirPods, then I have the space for that on the opposite side. But I think it's really neat that they added this little attachment on. It's definitely better than having a dangly passy pod hanging off. Now this bag has 2 zippers. On the outside of the bag, you have your front zipper that goes all the way around to the front here, and that is a single zipper pull. And then you also have one here on the back, and this is what I like to call the tech pocket, though technically it's really not. You can put whatever you want in there. It doesn't have any felt lining or anything. I think JuJuBe really focused on keeping this bag super lightweight, which is great for when you're at a theme park. The less weight you have on your body, the better. And like I mentioned, this bag is extremely packable. I love that for travel. You also have one more interior zipper pocket, and I will show you guys that when I get to the packing part of the video. Here is what the back looks like. As you can see, you have your seatbelt strap here. It is sewn here. Up here, this is highly adjustable. So I have it pretty tightly adjusted, as you can see. I have it just right here. You also have a plastic buckle here, which is a little bit different than JuJuBe's other sling bags. On those, they use metal buckles, which I found to be kind of uncomfortable, but I like the size of this one, and the fact that it's plastic makes it just a little bit more comfortable to use. And not to mention lighter weight. Once again, they're thinking things through about keeping this a lightweight bag. I love it. So I'm gonna go ahead and jump onto the inside of this bag for you guys. Single zipper, nice and smooth, like all JuJuBe zippers are. This is how I have it packed up. This bag is basically empty inside as far as organizational pouches go and things like that. You literally have one zipper. You don't have any pockets. It's just a nice big open space, which means that you can actually keep a water bottle in here, but I will show you guys that in a minute because I do have one in here, believe it or not. I have my sunglasses case in here. As I mentioned, this bag is packed for just me, and these are things that I really would only pack for myself for a theme park, like I try to think minimalistically when I am packing for myself at a theme park, and this is literally all I would bring. So I have my sunnies in here, and those are a must-have. I have very sensitive eyes to light. I don't know if it's because my eyes are blue, but I even have to wear them on cloudy days. So this is a must-have. This is a nice slim case. I got this on Amazon. I will link everything I can down below for you guys. And if you guys want to shop JuJuBe with me for this super cute new print and this awesome new bag, I would love that. I will leave my affiliate link down in the description below for you guys. You can shop through that anytime. So I had my sunglasses in here. Next, I have a small set piece. This is in the super cute new Galaxy of Rivals print. Love it. I have great print placement for actually both the Empire and the Rebels. So let's go ahead and go in here. I have a chapstick. When I'm in a theme park and I'm screaming on rides, I tend to get really chapped really fast. So I always have to have a chapstick on me. I also have a hand cream. I have eczema, so I need to make sure that I have a hand cream on me at all times. And then I also have a hair tie. If I happen to lose the one that I have in my hair, which you never know, can happen, I have an extra just in case. And I also have a hairbrush because after going on all those rides, my hair is a crazy mess. And this also has a mirror inside it as well. So those are the things that I will bring with me whenever I go to a theme park. They are must-haves. No reason for me to carry makeup of any kind. Usually, if I'm going to a theme park, I don't like to wear makeup. I just find that if I'm wearing a hat or something, it wipes off. If I get sweaty, it comes off. So I might as well just go without. So that's why I only have like a chapstick in there. Also down in here, look at that. I have an entire 9-ounce Swell bottle. You cannot do this with any of the other JuJuBe Sling bags, even the larger ones, because they have pockets inside and they take up a lot of space. They make the bag heavier, and I'm not saying I hate those bags or anything like that. I love my other JuJuBe Sling bags. They're amazing. But the one thing is you can't put a water bottle in there unless the rest of the bag is completely empty. So that's what I love about this one. The lack of organization actually is a huge plus in this bag so that you can fit a 9-ounce bottle in here, or even smaller if you guys like to use the mini waters. That would fit in here just fine as well. Maybe even a couple of those actually. So I have that empty now. Look at this lining, you guys. I'm obsessed. It is so cute. I love it. So onto this back pocket here. I still have to go through the pocket on the back of the bag as well, but on the inside here, I have just a couple things that are kind of a necessity for me and my kids. I have a pill case in here. I'll go ahead and open it for you guys. I have some Dramamine. Hopefully you guys can see that so it doesn't spill all out, but I have Advil, I have allergy medicine, and I have a Dramamine. We've actually already used one the last time we went to a theme park because my son Jensen and I actually have motion sickness. So it just really helps keep that sickness down, and especially like if we're in a car or something too. Also in this pocket, I have my wallet. So I like to carry really slim, tiny wallets like this when I'm going to theme parks because when you're there, you really only need your credit card and your driver's license, and that's it. So that's what I've got here, and it just is the perfect size. This is the Be Charged by JuJuBe, or I guess now they're calling it the coffee break wallet. But I love it. It is just the right size. Besides that, I also have some tissues because you never know. You might need one. So I've got like 3 rolled up here, one for each of my kids or all 3 for me. You never know. So I have those. I have allergies like year round, so I'm always dealing with that. But this is a decently sized pocket. You guys can see on my hand here. And then you have all this space. So this is a very nice and roomy sling bag. I really love it. And as you can see, once you get it empty, it's like really floppy and flat, which is great. I want to move on real quick to the back here because I forgot. That's the thing about this pocket, is quite hidden. So if you wanted to use this pocket to hold your wallet, you could. Nobody would know it was back there. But I like this pocket for my phone because it keeps it separated from everything else and really easy access for me. So there's my phone. Got this awesome mag back case on here. I love it. If you guys want to save 15% on the mag back phone case or any of their other items, you can use code KATE15 off and save. It is my favorite phone case because it can literally like magnetically stick to anything. I love it. So that's all that I had in this pocket, but it is quite roomy. It's even roomier than the one on the inside. It is great. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video and found it helpful. I love this bag. See how flat it can get? So flat. I'm gonna go ahead and take it off so you guys can see how packable it is. The only thing that's not super packable is the Passy Pod, but even that can squish down. So if you're looking for something that you can easily travel with or take to a theme park that's not gonna weigh you down, it's gonna give you a ton of room for water and all your other necessary items, this bag is great. If you guys wanna shop this bag or shop JuJuBe with me in general, I would love that. You guys can shop my affiliate link down in the description below. If you enjoyed this video and found it fun and helpful, please give it a big thumbs up and definitely subscribe to my channel while you're here if you're new. Thanks for watching!